Escort Max Ci 360. Full disclosure, I did open this once already. I was about a minute into the video and I didn't have enough space on my phone. But anyway, here we go. There is tape that you have to cut around to get this off, here and here. This unit is updatable and it's current as of September 2018 with a 3-year warranty. Pretty nice. Let's see, we got a user's manual, installation manual. Box, call this box number 1. Let's see what we got. Alright, look at that. Alright, here's your display, controls, GPS antenna, and the main unit itself. Take this off, you got some stuff underneath here. Some cables, zip ties, and the bezel to cut in the display, which I'll be doing as well. I really wish they gave you a bezel for this control. They really just want you to stick it on the dash, but we're going to get fancy. We'll do something with that. There's the bezels, gray and black they come with. Box number 2. All right. More cables. Looks like some mounting brackets. And then the front shifters, front and rear. Alright, looks like we got more sensors. Not 100% what they call these here. Look in the owner's manual. And it's the bridge. Some more cables. Looks like some shrink tubing and some more zip ties. Ooh, they give you a level. Alright, to make sure the shifters are level in the vehicle. Yeah, that's what you get in the box though.